Hello, I'm Steve Kazan. One of the papers that we'll be presenting at the International Mesothelioma Interest Group it involves a discussion of one of the clients that we were privileged to represent. Doctors talk about cases and publish case reports, but really these are about people. And this is a case report about one of our clients, Mike Hoffheim, whose picture is on the slide here from his deposition back in 2001. Mike was diagnosed with mesothelioma, was operated on at the University of California in San Francisco, where the diagnosis was confirmed not only by their pathologist, but by an independent pathologist expert as well. This ended in litigation, and after the defendants were able to do all the investigation they wanted, the case was resolved. Mike was very fortunate. He lived 10 years with this diagnosis, and eventually, and unfortunately, he passed away in death certificate is here just earlier this year. So this was a very unusual situation, a very long life expectancy. He had moved out of the Bay Area at the time, and when he died, the physician who treated him at the end signed his death certificate, but missed the fact that he had mesothelioma. He called it a lung cancer. He said that it might have been from tobacco, and that it was a natural death, rather than describing it as a mesothelioma caused by asbestos, with tobacco having no impact and it being an accidental or industrial death. This is important because a lot of medical research is based on studies of individual cases. Doctors often go and look at death certificates to figure out the cause of death and to determine whether asbestos did or did not play a role in particular trades and occupations. Here, this is a classic example of how doctors relying on death certificates can get it wrong. And that's why we submitted this as an abstract and have been invited to present this poster at the conference. Thank you.